TechAxis. Learn first to lead the rest.
Hello everyone, I am Sushil Sharma Subedi. I received amazing MERN Stack Training from TechAxis, which greatly improved my knowledge of web development. Even for a complete beginner like myself, a wide range of topics and skilled instructor offered a planned strategy that made challenging topics like MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js very clear. My understanding and confidence were boosted by Mr. Rosin Shrestha's practical teaching way, which puts an emphasis on hands-on coding exercises and projects. My experience was made better by the friendly learning atmosphere that my classmates and teachers created that provided continuous support and knowledge. TechAxis made sure the training remained up to date with the industry standards, providing me the abilities companies are searching for in today's workforce. I am appreciative of the chance, and as a full stack developer at TechAxis at present, I can advocate for the institution to anyone thinking about a full stack programming career.